Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to fix ChatGPT error or something went wrong. First and foremost, we need to check our internet connection so that we will have no problem. Okay, so for example, this one. So when we go to the website and then try to generate our response, then it will not going to regenerate since we are not connected to the internet. Now we'll have to turn on our Wi-Fi or cellular data in order to have an internet connection. So right after that, when we press the regenerate response, ChatGPT will give you an answer. Now, the second option that you can do is to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen and then click on new chat. Okay, so you can now ask ChatGPT for an answer. And the third one is you can also refresh your page by doing this. Okay, so that you'll be able to reconnect to the server. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.